Hello students. In this video I will discuss a problem based on numerical aperture. So let's start this video. So the question I have written here is a double convex lens is used to couple a laser beam of diameter 5 mm into optical fiber with a numerical aperture of 0.5. Means, see, convex lens is given. Convex lens is a converging lens. If the light coming from infinity, that passes through the focal length of convex lens. So this is the convex lens having a diameter of convex lens is given as 5 mm, and the laser is coming which is passed through the focal point, because the rays which are coming into convex lens pass through the focal length. So that will pass through the focal length. So this distance is nothing but a focal length of this lens, and the diameter of this lens is given as 5 mm. So diameter of this convex lens is given as 5 mm. Here the light is totally converged into optical fiber with numerical aperture of that optical fiber is given as 0.5. So here optical fiber is present. Optical fiber having numerical aperture value that is equal to 0.5 is given. We have to calculate the minimum focal length of a lens. We have to calculate this focal length of a lens that should be used in order to focus the entire beam into fiber. Means all the light must be passed through the optical fiber. So how to solve this? See, we know that this diameter of this lens, we have to calculate. The numerical aperture of optical fiber is given, so we can calculate this angle theta. What is this angle theta is called? Acceptance angle, and we know the relation between numerical aperture and acceptance angle, which is equal to numerical aperture is equal to sine of acceptance angle. If the medium is air, then the refractive index is 1. Now numerical aperture is given as 0.5, so sine theta A. So theta A will be sine inverse of 0.5. So theta A comes out to be 30 degree. So acceptance angle is 30 degree. So this angle is 30 degree. Now look at in this triangle. This distance we have to calculate. Height is, see, if this is the diameter 5 mm, so this is half radius, that will come out to be 2.5 mm. So we know theta, we have to calculate f. So if I use tan theta, what is tan theta? That is equal to perpendicular upon base, means 2.5 mm divided by focal length f. What is theta? Theta is nothing but 30 degree. So tan 30 degree, that is equal to 2.5 divided by f. So f will come out to be 2.5. What is the value of tan 30 degree? That is equal to 1 by root 3. So this is equal to 1 by root 3. That is equal to 2.5 into root 3. So this will come out to be 4.33. The unit was mm, so this is mm. So focal length of convex lens is 4.3 mm. Thank you.